In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recurring task in Microsoft Project. To get started, make sure you're looking at a Gantt chart view, since that's the most practical place to create and organize tasks. Go to the View tab, then choose Gantt chart. You should now see your task list on the left and the timeline bars on the right. Before creating the recurring task, decide where it should appear in your schedule. Click the row below the spot where you want the recurring task to be inserted. Project will place the new recurring summary task just above the row you select, so choosing the right insertion point helps you keep your work breakdown structure clean and in the correct order. Now, head to the Task tab on the ribbon. Find the Task button, click the small drop-down arrow beneath it, and select Recurring Task. This opens the Recurring Task Information dialog, where you'll define exactly how the task repeats. Start by entering a clear task name. Next, set the duration, which applies to each individual occurrence of the task, not the total across all repeats. For example, if this is a weekly status meeting that lasts 1 hour, enter that single-hour duration here. Choose the recurrence pattern that fits your plan: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. For weekly, you can specify the frequency, like every 1 week, and pick specific days such as Tuesday and Thursday. Monthly and yearly patterns let you target specific dates or positions in the month, which is helpful for end-of-month reviews or annual planning sessions. Remember, durations follow your project's calendar, so a 1-day duration aligns with your defined working hours. Set the start date, the first time this task should occur. Then define when the recurrence ends. You can choose to end after a certain number of occurrences, which is great for fixed-length initiatives, or by a specific date if the timeline is date-driven. Optionally, assign a different calendar if the task follows a special schedule, like a night shift. If you need the task to schedule even when assigned resources are marked unavailable, check. Scheduling ignores resource calendars. Use this carefully, as it can create intentional overlaps. When everything looks correct, click OK. Project will insert a recurring summary task with each occurrence listed beneath it, neatly grouped and ready to manage. You can expand or collapse this summary just like any other, update individual occurrences as they complete, and adjust timing if your plan evolves. And if you placed it in the wrong spot, simply drag the summary to the right location to keep your plan organized.